Ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang kantang Sagada by Cup of Joe. So madali lang naman yung mga chords niya simula intro, verse at chorus. Yung mga chords natin dyan ay G, D, E minor, at C. At kapag refrain naman yung chords niya ay E minor, C, D, at C. So para naman sa strumming pattern niya ay medyo kakaiba kasi may palm muting. So yung magiging pattern natin dito is down, down, up, down. So ganito siya. Down, down, up, down. Ulitin natin. Kapag down, kailangan nakadikit yung kamay mo dito. Down, down. Then kapag up, open. Then down. Ulitin natin. Down, down, up, down. So, bali, 2 times mo siya uulitin bawat chord. Halimbawa, G. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Then, lipat. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Then, lipat. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Then, C. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Then kapag nakuha mo na yung strumming pattern ay tugtugin na natin siya. So mag-start tayo sa intro. Bali play lang natin siya ng isang beses. Then pagkatapos ng verse 1 ay refrain.